Okay, here we go. Brian, hi. BH35 Sports Cards. We are doing half case break number 8 of Nashville Treasures football with a BH35 silver bonus box. We'll do the random for that at the end of the break and then do that box on a separate video. These are the teams, though, that you picked right here. Picked one, wound up with, whatever you want to call it. Nice. There you go. Yes, they are. They're all over the place. So we'll see if he's in here. Oops. Do this whole thing. All right. Let's do this. This one will be for later, and these two, put it over there for now. Last of the NT. Hopefully it goes down a little bit in price. We can get some more at a later point in time. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Good luck, everybody. First card's gonna be Larry Zonka. Move this down a little bit. Larry Zonka for the Dolphins. Justin Forsett, Ravens. Jay Cutler for the Bears, unfortunately. Oh, no, that's a Broncos card. Broncos, Jay Cutler. Who dat? Brandon Cooks. Out of 50 for the Saints. I was going to say, Jay Cutler, Pro Bowl, Bears. Really? Storm Johnson. Lamar Miller. And there better be something good in this box. Not bad. Sammy Watkins, Odell Beckham Jr., Bills and Giants. Bills is the hunter, the Giants. Day Rider. Random that one off. Redemption of Devonta Freeman. Jumbo Prime Signatures Booklet Vertical Variation. Allen Hurns, 7 out of 10 for the Jags. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, 4 breaks. Nice. Jaguars should be Florida fan. Yep, it is. Florida fan. Rainmaker or a Judge? We've pulled both of them. Pulled Rainmaker the other night. Pulled Judge a couple of nights ago. AJ Green to 25. Prime Signatures for the Bengals. The Hunter. Nice card. Last card of this box is Mike Evans. 55 of 99. Oh, Big Pharma PC sauce. The Judge was yours, right? Was it not? AJ? Fred Taylor, Jaguars. Frank Gore, 14 out of 99. Hunters of the Midway, kicker, Robbie Gould. Matty Ice, 21 out of 35. Jersey for the Falcons. Rob, and a book, and a Matt Ryan. Bishop Sankey, 37 out of 99. That's a cool piece down there. I don't know what the rest of them are. That's a ball. Ball jersey, patch, shoe, maybe? Glove? Something. Quad for the Bills. Kyle Orton, Sammy Watkins, Fred Jackson, and Scott Chandler. To 49. Kevin Norwood, 9 out of 99. Seahawks. Joe Bob Mort. Oh boy. 71 out of 90. Houston Texans, 3-color patch. Jadeveon Clowney. The green foiled one. Number 2, their number. Ray Tango. Ray Tango got the Texans. Nice card there. Mark Chmura, 14 out of 99 for the Packers. Joe Bob Mort again. Your last card is sick. Cameron Wake, 39 out of 49. This dude's a beast. Miami Dolphins going to Big Pharma. Big Pharma. Roll the dice on that one. And then we'll run the randomizer on everybody else. 1, 2, or 3, it'll go to the Bills. 4, 5, or 6, it'll go to the Giants. Good luck. To 4. 1, 2, 3, Bills. 4, 5, 6, Giants. Going to the Giants. Okay, here we go. This is, I'll move this over, throw everybody in the randomizer. Well, 3 times, person on top will win the silver bonus box. 1, 2, and 3. Going to Kenny S305. Kenny S305. You are the winner, chicken dinner. So that's it for this one. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.